Alright folks, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to turn this ribeye into a heart-shaped ribeye for your Valentine. Of course, I'm a day late and $1 short with this video, but it is what it is. Anyway, we're going to take this, we're going to butterfly it, make it look like a heart. We're going to use some Grillaholics SPG+Butter on that. And just a reminder, any Grillaholics thing I use in this video, the seasonings, the tools, so forth, use my code Cooking with Corey. It'll be down in the description, and I'll get you 20% off anything at Grillaholics.com. All right, let's turn this beautiful ribeye into a heart-shaped ribeye. All right, folks, we got a ribeye here. This is about 2.5 pound ribeye, as you can see. Choice, looking good, nice and thick. So what you want to do to make your wonderful heart-shaped ribeye, you want to set it on its side like this. It's a lot easier to do actually when it's still on the subprimal, so you can take a butterfly off and then cut the other side off. We're going to try to get it done this way. It's probably not going to be pretty. I didn't bring my fancy meat cutting knives home. So here we go. You want to go right down the middle of that. Like so. Now you see how we're basically butterflying that out. And when you get down there a little bit, you work a little slow because you don't want to go all the way through. I know what some of you guys are thinking right now. Don't be thinking those dirty thoughts. All right, here we go. We got her pretty much butterflied. As you can see, can you guys see that? For the most part, yes. All right, it's looking like a heart-shaped ribeye to me. So clean it up a little bit, clean it up a little bit here. I'll clean up the sides just a little bit here. And right over here. And then we'll down here and get the heart shape just a little bit better for you. And look at that. Woohoo! Heart-shaped ribeye. You do this, your significant other will love it. Oh yeah. All right, it's looking good. Let's get that seasoned up with some SPG and butter. Get my one glove off here. Open this up. Like I said, Grillaholics SPG+Butter. We get that all over our steak, like so. Our wonderful heart-looking steak. Get the other side, which is not the pretty side, but you want both of the sides of your meat seasoned up. All right, it's just cold out here. My nose is running. All right, that's beautiful. Let's get her on the grill. All right, folks, let's get this going. We're just going to do it aggressively on the vortex in my Weber kettle here. Here's our delicious, looking heart-shaped steak. When you're grilling, especially something like this, you want to go pretty side down. Obviously, that's our pretty side. That's not our pretty side. So we're going to start pretty side down first. We're just going to go directly over this vortex. Right over the middle of it. All right. Give that sucker a couple minutes there. We'll give her a turn. Let's give our steak a little turn here. Right over the top of that vortex, like so. All right, we're gonna let her go another minute or two. Alrighty then, 2 minutes there. Just give her a flip. Oh, look at that. Good old char on there. That's what we're looking for. Move it a little over this way to render off a little bit of the fat on that tail. Your heart-shaped ribeye is looking delicious. And of course, we're being aggressive over that vortex. And that's because we're not cooking this well done. We want a nice medium rare to rare on this. We're getting there. A minute or two, we'll pull her. All right, folks, I'm happy with this. You can get your thermometer out if you're worried about it. And check your temps. We're aggressive with this bad boy. We're looking good. Got a nice freaking char on that. All right, I'm pulling. Just let it rest. All right, folks, here's our final product. Obviously, we got the Grillaholics SPG+Butter on it. It's called Twisted, and it's good. I tasted it. It's got some real butter flavor. It's got butter buds in it. It's really good. All right, let's take a piece out of here. See how we love it. I know we're gonna love it. The camera never does it justice out here, but look at that, delicious. Always looks more overdone than it actually is. That's a good medium rare right there. Salt, pepper, garlic, and butter. Actually, butter finishes really nice in there. It's got those butter buds. You can taste it really good. Anyway, give this a try for your sweetheart or whatever, or eat one yourself. It'd be great for like the carnivore diet, whatever. Make it yourself. Make it at home, peeps. Make it your own. Like I always say, we'll see you next week.